When evaluating a spirit, you're looking for four key elements. You're looking for color, aroma, legs, and flavor. This is Appleton Estate 12-year-old. It's been aged in oak barrels for a minimum of 12 years. First, we're going to look at the color. You're going to notice rich bronze, natural colors from the oak barrel aging. Next, we're going for aroma. You don't want to put it all the way in your nose. You just want to waft it across and do it very gently. You're going to get notes of walnut, orange peel, and vanilla. Next, we're going to swirl it and look for the legs. When you hold it up, you see the nice legs coming down the side of the glass, which shows quality spirit and shows time in oak barrel aging. Next, we're going for flavor. You want to take a nice sip, wash it around your mouth, get it across your gums, and then evaluate. Full-bodied sipping rum. Notes of walnuts, orange peel, vanilla, all coming from the natural process of 12-year oak aging. Appleton Estate 12-year-old, as sophisticated and complex as some of your finest cognacs.